Are you wanting to move to a part of Charlotte that's busy and has tons of things to do? Well, today we're going to Steele Creek, and not only does it check both of those boxes, but it also has new construction opportunities. So today we're going to check out one of those communities, and we're going to go into one of their newer floor plans. Stick around. This one is one I can't wait to show you. If you've never been to the channel before, my name is Yadi Karina Jones. I'm a real estate agent with Lifestyle International Realty here in Charlotte and the surrounding areas. Every week, I tour different parts of Charlotte and I check out communities so that you can learn exactly what it's like to live, work, and play here in the Queen City. If you're thinking about moving to Charlotte, North Carolina, or if you already live here and you want to make a move, please feel free to reach out to me using any of the contact information below. I'd love to connect with you. Now, if you haven't made Charlotte part of your short list, now is the time to check out these videos, subscribe to the channel so you can continue to learn what Charlotte has to offer you and your loved ones. Now, let's find out more about Porter's Row by Mattamy Homes in the Steele Creek area. Porter's Row by Mattamy Homes is located in Steele Creek. Steele Creek is about 17 minutes from Uptown Charlotte and about 15 minutes from Charlotte Douglas Airport. This is quite a busy area, so it tends to attract people who love the big city or people who come from the big city, or if you come from a small town but you want a little more activity in your life. The crowd favorites here are going to be things like Top Golf, Carowinds, and Charlotte Premium Outlets. If you want to know more about this area, I go into depth about it in a video called The Pros and Cons of Living in Steele Creek. So you'll want to check that out if you're interested in this community. Today, we're checking out the Owen floor plan by Mattamy Homes. And I have a secret for you. This community is the only community that offers this particular floor plan. Now, there are other sister communities to this one, like Northfield Crossing, which we've gone to before, and Cheney, which are in the north part of Charlotte, but they do not have this floor plan. So if you want to get into the Owen, you need to make your way to Porter's Row. Now, let's check out what's so special about the Owen floor plan by Mattamy Homes here at Porter's Row. The Owen floor plan has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and it's 1,750 square feet. It's always going to be an end unit, so you get that third set of windows. So if you like a lot of light, this is definitely a floor plan to consider. Here to my left, you're going to see a storage closet, so you can tuck away jackets or anything you want out of sight. This right here is going to be your open concept area. I want to point out that it has luxury vinyl plank on the floors because sometimes when you do go into certain townhomes, they have carpet. So it's nice that this complete floor is luxury vinyl plank. Now the pantry, you can see right here in the camera, I tried to take you all the way to the back so that you would see that there's additional room to store things. This kitchen right here, you have your island, which you can also add additional stools, your space for your refrigerator, and you have a drop zone. That's always a plus because when you come in from the garage, just drop things there. You drop your jacket, you drop your book bags. Here you have a 2-car garage. I absolutely love this feature because there are many townhomes where you can't get that second car in and they're only 1-car garages. But not only do I love that part about it, I love the fact that it doesn't turn into a 3-story townhome. Because often when you see a 2-car garage, they add an additional floor. And here it's just 2 floors. So it's limited to 2 floors, which means you don't have to go up that additional set of stairs. Here we have a hallway leading to the secondary bathroom because of course the primary bedroom is going to have its own bathroom. And you also see a bedroom tucked all the way at the end. So you definitely are going to have plenty of room here with the 3 bedrooms on this upper level. Now, the downside is, of course, it's not staged, but that's because it's a newer floor plan. So that's the reason that you don't see any furniture, but you can get a good size bed in here, at least a full. So in here, you have another bedroom, and then you have a closet. It's tucked right behind the door. So this closet right here services this room, and now we are going to head to the laundry area. So you see your laundry area here, plenty of room, washer, dryer, and your laundry baskets. Laundry baskets get out of control, so it's nice to have that extra room. Here you have your linen closet, which is excellent so that everybody has access to towels, wash rags, anything that they need. This closet right here, pretty ample. Behind the door, there is that nook, so they have additional racks in there. And then I love this tray ceiling here. The tray ceiling gives it the feel. It's a little higher than all of the other rooms, and it gives it that little sophisticated look. Also, you have your primary bathroom, which is a must, right? The owner has to have their own bathroom. I mean, that's the creme de la creme. So you have your stand-up shower and also your water closet. And water closets, sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. So it's an exceptional feature to have access to. Now, the other thing that's very, very popular is to have a loft. And here you do have a loft, so you can add an additional space for watching TV or reading, just sitting. And then here, this is incredible. There is only one other floor plan that has this, which is a deck off of the loft, and it's also right by the primary bedroom. The Owen floor plan is starting in the low 400,000. So if you are interested in this particular floor plan, feel free to reach out to me using any of the contact information below. This community, Porter's Row, is going to have 236 homes at completion. So they're slightly above 50% sold. So you definitely don't want to wait. If you're interested in this community, there are other floor plans. There are at least 6 other floor plans. So you definitely have your pick of the litter. Please feel free to connect with me, even if it's not about Porter's Row. Using all of my contact information, you can text me, call me, or set up a Zoom call, however you wish to reach out to me. My name is Yadi Karina Jones. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you continue learning more about what Charlotte has to offer you. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.